रंग बिरंगी जन्नत नज़ीर इस दुनिया को बयान करने के लिए कोई लफ्ज़ ही नहीं बने।
1 मिनट 1 2 3
दाने चुगने के लिए जब ये रंग बिरंगे छोटे छोटे परिंदे आपके साथ आके अटखेलियाँ करते हैं तो आप न सिर्फ तस्वीरें खींच सकते हैं बल्कि इनको हाथ भी लगा सकते हैं और इनसे बातें भी कर सकते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हीलिंग हिजामा क्लिनिक से मैं डॉक्टर अस्मा महमूद और दुबई में 90 रोज़ हमने दुबई क्रीक पार्क में होने वाले बर्ड शो को देखने का फ़ैसला किया। तो आइए आप भी हमारे साथ इस शो से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हों। बर्ड शो का सारा एरिया मौसमी पौधों और घास से भरा हुआ था और कुर्सियों की बजाय ज़मीन पे उन्होंने बैठने का इंतज़ाम किया था और शो को मुनक़िद करने वाले लोग और उन्होंने साथ बड़ी स्क्रीन भी लगाई हुई थी और साथ बर्ड्स के बारे में बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन और मालूमात जो है वो भी देते जाते थे। मुख्तलिफ़ परिंदों ने मुख्तलिफ़ मैजिक शोज़ और करतब जो थे वो करके दिखाए थे। परिंदे आगे पीछे उड़ रहे थे। बच्चों के साथ आप ये शो ज़रूर देखें, आपको भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा, बच्चों को भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा और उनकी मालूमात में भी बहुत इजाफा होगा।
The man of the hour, his name is Ellie.
और ये तकरीबन तमाम शो मैंने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया। उम्मीद है आप और बच्चे सब इससे महजूज होंगे।
What is the magic word? Solo. That's right. Yes, salam.
What a great start, what a great start. DJ Cos,
Yes.
have you ever seen birds dancing before?
No.
DJ Cos, have you ever seen birds dancing before?
Never in my entire life.
This guy has Alzheimer. He do the show with me every day. Have you ever seen birds dancing before? Alright, well, your cameras, come on Jamie, come on out. We call them the gangsters. Everyone, hands in the air, let's cheer them up.
Wow, look at this move. The move of Michael Jackson. Hey, come on, stars. Where's the moonwalk? The moonwalk. Hold on. Okay, kids, guys, what can you say about their dancing? Are they dance good? Yeah, bravo.
Yeah, bravo.
Yes.
Did you like their dancing?
Oh, come on, bro.
This is a total disaster.
What?
You know what? I can do better. Put something, Arabic music. Put
Arabic.
something. Yeah, alright, everyone.
Are you
Come on.
sure?
Yeah, everyone. Come on back. This is how we dance.
You better stop dancing, bro, because they are laughing at you.
Who's laughing at me? How was my dancing?
Now, come on, bro, the birds.
Good, huh? Stars, tell everyone. How was my dancing?
Oh, this is no.
Don't embarrass me. Am I a good dancer?
No.
Such an embarrassment. You know what? Dance some more. Come on.
What a move.
Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to start. Have you ever watched Rio? Yeah, it's an animation movie. Now this movie is all about birds. In this movie there is a small bird with the big beak. His beak look like a banana. Do you know what kind of birds are they?
It starts with what?
Starts with the letter T.
Ends with?
And
How many letters?
absolutely right, toucans. Do you know where the toucans come from? They come from South America, absolutely right. They come from a place they love to play football.
Start with
Start
what?
with the letter B.
I know that place, bro.
Where?
Abu Dhabi.
Where?
Abu Dhabi.
First of all, it's Abu Dhabi with A. From Bolivia? No, I'm not talking about coffee, I'm talking about toucan. Brazil, absolutely
Yeah.
right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the lovely toucan. Yes. Now these birds are very friendly. They cannot fly for a long distance because they have very short wings. The wings are too small, they cannot carry their weight. هيدي الطيور ما فيها تطير لمسافة بعيدة لأنه جناحها كثير قصيرة، فيها تطير لمسافة قريبة. وهي من رابع أجمل توكنز بالعالم. Very nice, very nice. Fabulous. Now I want one of the adults. Man, can you come and join me? No? You're afraid of it? Okay. Yeah. Alright. These birds are very friendly and sociable and they come all the way from New Zealand. Yeah. They are the 4 most beautiful toucans in the world. Close your hand. Close your hand. No, ما أجمل toucans بالعالم. The most beautiful one is called the rainbow toucan, and they have 7 different colors on their beak. Very nice, very nice. Close your hand. Perfect. Keep your hand like this. Do not move. المفضلة, and she come all the way from Australia. I call her the white angel.
الملاكو أبيض.
What did you say?
الملاكو أبيض.
والله. الملاك الأبيض doesn't come along. She come with her BFF.
Dio.
Let's welcome Sophie and
Dodo.
Dodo. This is Dodo, the electless parrot, Sophie, the white angel. Who wants to be with me and the white team? Raise your hands. Very nice, very nice. Put your hands down. Who wants to be with the green team?
Me.
Okay, let's make a race. And my bird can draw the Mona Lisa. You want to see it? You want to see the Mona Lisa? Okay, come on, Mr. John Picasso. Come, Lisa is waiting. These birds are called the surfing cockatoos. They come in 4 different colors. They come in white, black, gray, and pink. The white one can live up to 8 years of age, but the black palm, the black bird, is the only bird in the world who can live up to 100 years of age. What is special about this bird? They find one partner and they stay together for 100 years. DJ, can you stay with one partner for 100 years?
Inshallah.
I want you to use your imagination. Take a good look at the canvas and tell me, what do you see? A what? Red and blue, but does it look like a shape of something? A heart. I like it. A what?
Heart.
Pizza? John, is this a fruit salad? No. Is this Burj Al Arab? No. Is this the Mona Lisa?
Eh? How come?
This is the ugliest Mona Lisa I ever seen in my life. If Mona Lisa is alive and she seen this, she will die. Remove. Give me another 50 euro. Yes, very nice. And one more for TJ, please. Yes, very good. Yes, thank you so much. I love you.
How much is my Indian bro?
Manoush, let's give Manoush a big round of applause. Very nice.
So how much is my Indian round?
Manoush, don't worry, this is deposit, huh? Okay, now, Baba Manoush, I want you to come here, please, yes? And I want you to hold the money like this in your hand, alright? Do not move your hand. Now, this bird has been trained by 2 genius people, me and DJ. Alibaba, he comes. He takes the money, and he never comes back.
Excuse me, why you never come back, Eddie? What's wrong?
Nothing wrong, this is how we collect our salaries.
What?
Okay, you want to play some more? Yeah, good God. Okay, wait a minute.
You know what, bro? We have to give the money back. Come on.
Who thinks we should give him the money back? Raise your hands. Yes, please come and pay him. Okay, you know what? We're gonna give you the money. Open your hand. Now once they put the money, close your hand. Alright, come on, big boy, bring the money.
Where is the money, Eddie? What is this?
Close your hand. Close your hand. Check, maybe the money is inside. I think there's a message.
What it says, bro?
Thank you so much for your donation.
Shukran Allah tabarra.
No, open your hand. Let's give you the money. Open your hand. Alright, marvelous. Come on, big boy, bring the money.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, close your hand. Thank you, Baba. This is yours.
Yes,
very nice. Let's give him a big round of applause. Marvelous. Alright. Check it out. I will shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone, let's cheer him up. Come on up. Whoa!
Why you said wow?
He found it.
Come on.
This board, but don't show it to anyone.
वो देखो
Okay?
पापा
Choose.
पापा
You
क्या
chose?
कर रहे हैं?
Write it down.
ओ देखो पापा लिखने लगे हैं
Done?
पापा लिख रहे हैं पापा
Okay. Look at this.
Oh,
Lovely?
Papa,
Now, I'm gonna show you 4 papers. If you see your number, say yes. If you don't see your number, say no.
वो देखो
Can you see your number? Yes.
पापा वो देखो पापा लिख रहे हैं
Showing the bird. Can you see your number? No. Can you see your number? No. Look how excited it is. Can you see your number? Yes. Yes. I love
You
it.
know what, bro?
What?
I saw it's number 14.
बॉडी आने लगी
Yes, please do it again.
Bro,
I know.
why you are looking at the paper?
You have to hide, brother.
Come, let's do it one more time.
Oh,
Come,
देखो
let's do it one
पापा
more
का
time.
है।
Come on this side.
पापा।
Look at this cheeker.
पापा देखो
Stand here,
border
stand
है
here.
पापा के साथ।
Lovely. Stay here. Don't move, okay? Choose another number,
पापा लिख
okay? Start it.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, done? Yalla, lovely, huh? Look at this. Alright, now again, let's do it. Can you see your number? Yes.
Yes.
पापा
Yes. Okay. Can you see your number? Yes.
Okay.
Can you see your number? Yes.
Yes.
Can you see your number?
पापा
No?
वो देखो
3 yeses and 1 no.
But you know what, boy? It should be 2 yeses and 2 no's.
Fellas, should we pretend that we know what we're doing?
Is that your number?
Oh, is that your number? Wait a minute. Is that his number? Whoa! Number 7, man. How he do these
He
things?
loves number.
Let's give Baba a big round of applause. Marvelous. Thank you, Baba. All right. Now roll your cameras. I'm gonna. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Tweety and thank you, Tuka. Alright, now I have another magic trick, but this one is going to be different. In my hand, I'm holding different pictures of animals. Everyone can see? Yes, very nice. Okay, who's gonna come from you? Okay, little princess, come. Okay, little boy, come. Yes, you. Finally, it happened. Come, he was the whole show like this. Come. Alright, come this side. Now, what's your name? Kiss me. Huh? Mita. Abdullah, here comes here. Okay, Abdullah, Mita, come here. Abdullah, okay, Mita here, Abdullah here. Yalla. Listen carefully. Hala. In my hand, I'm holding different pictures of animals. I want you to choose one picture and hide it. Yalla, choose. Don't show it to me, hide it. Choose. Yalla, Abdullah, you're doing shopping? Okay, now listen carefully. When I turn my back, I want you to show the pictures to everyone. Okay, don't show it to me, only to the people. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Show the pictures to everyone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I close my eyes, you memorize it. Yeah, memorize them. Very nice. Everybody saw? Hide the pictures. Put it here, don't show it to me. Very nice. Give me a high five. Take back your seat. High five. Take back your seat. Fabulous. Mama, I want you to mix. Mix. Wallah, Mama is playing cards, huh? Okay, lovely. Now look at this. I have no idea what the pictures are. I'm gonna put them randomly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely boy.
By the way, how many cards we are looking for?
2 different pictures.
It means, what is the first card? What animal is this?
Is it the horse?
Oh, son.
What do you think the second one
The
is?
smallest insect in the world.
Which one?
Dinosaur.
Is it the flamingo?
Oh la la.
Do you want to know how he did this trick?
Yes.
Who wants to know how he did this trick? Raise your hand. Are you kidding me? If I tell you, they will fire me. Let's give him a big round of applause. Come on.
Yellow light because we gotta cut this closely. Every time you see some rabbits, is going to pick it up and put it in the bin because cleaning is very important to all of us.
I told her, Mommy, why do you want to exchange your husband with the bird? She said, my husband is too lazy. All he does is sleep on the sofa. This one can help with cleaning. When he uses the toilet, he never forgets to go and close the bin.
By the way, bro, do you know how to play these kinds of sports?
Yesterday, for the first time, I tried it.
How many miles?
3 miles.
Non-stop.
Non-stop.
And what happened?
On my face. Have you ever seen a bird playing basketball? Yalla big boy, impress them all. Come on.
like Shaquille O'Neal, here comes catalog. Love is in the air.
And also, he loves to play with. When I say shoot the bird, I want you all to shoot the bird. Okay? Reload. I had a mama yesterday, she was reloading from here. I don't know which gun is that. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Everybody, shoot the bird! Boom, bang, 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 boom, boom, boom!
Alas.
Let's give a big round of applause to Salman Khan. Beat the Falcon!
A sucker! Here comes the fastest players in the world that can reach up to the speed of 200 kilometers per hour, which is found in Europe, but of course even here in UAE, there's a lot of hawks and falcons flying in the sky.
Absolutely right, ladies and gentlemen, these are the fastest creatures in the world. What we on? Okay, stand maybe Shmel. Yes, you're gonna put this in your hand. Keep your hand steady, do not move your hand. These birds are the fastest creatures on earth. They have an extraordinary sight and they can see from far distance. Oh yes. After the show, you can take a picture with Mr. Speed, same position like the lady is showing you. It will cost you only 50 dirham. Do not hesitate. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Marvelous. Thank you, Speed. Thank you, Main Kapuka.
Here comes Mr. Andre, and he weighs about 4 kilograms. He is found in the land of Ismail, which is...
Oh, and Andrew will fly on top of your head. Kids, sit down, sit down. If the eagle lands between you, try not to move. Try not to breathe. Try not to do any sudden movement. I'm joking, I'm
And
joking.
keep your mouth
He's
closed.
well trained, he's well trained. Keep your mouth closed because we didn't train him. He still shoots vanilla. Ladies and gentlemen,
That's a good one.
we cannot train him anyway.
Yeah.
Hey, don't shoot that. Okay, after the show, you can take a picture with Andrew. Andrew is only 4 years old. He's called the Stellar Sea Eagle because he's well known to steal fish from the fishermen. Look at him, he's got big glory. He's also 4 kilos. After the show, you can take a picture with him and there will be 2 simple positions.
Watch out, he is ready to release the fuel.
Yeah, I think he's standing there. Little boy, mati stress. After the show, you can take a picture with him. Position number 1 on the hand, lift him up. Position number 2 on the stick if you cannot lift him. The picture with Andre will look similar to this one. It will cost you 100 dirham and you will have a free gift with it, a small little stuffed toy. Or you can take a picture with the macaw or the parrots with your family for 50 dirham only. In the air, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, yalla! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, these are called the sun-toniers, Asafir Shamis. You're gonna spend 10 minutes with them, feed them, take pictures, take videos. Put seeds in your hand, the birds will fly, and you're gonna enjoy your time. If you want to join us, it will be only for 25 dirhams to buy the food. If you
आप ख़्वाब बच्चे हैं या बड़े हैं, बर्ड शो को ज़रूर एंजॉय करेंगे। तो इंशाल्लाह दुबई ज़रूर आइएगा। आइंदा मुलाकात होती है। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।